Plaintiffs' lawyers have been suing website owners over accessibility for years. And I was recently reading the small business subreddit, and I came across a thread titled Banding Together to Stop ADA Shakedown Lawsuits. And in the post, the person writes, "We need the laws to change to make more sense. I am not opposed to making both retail businesses and websites accessible, but I am opposed to have these scum lawyers filling their pockets of our hard earned money with laws and a system that incentivize them to this type of behavior." And then he asks, how can we come together to put pressure on our representatives and make this a mainstream issue? Part of this channel is to bring attention to ADA compliance and website accessibility. Even now, even as 2024 approaches, there are still website owners that are unaware that they can even make a website accessible. So we need more attention on this. And as far as regulations, they are forthcoming. We know the DOJ has already started on working on Title II regulations. Now, I know that doesn't directly apply to small businesses, but after the Title II regulations, you can expect the Title III regulations in short order, and those regulations will impact small business owners. So we will have a formal legal precedent. But in the interim, what can small business owners do, and any website owners, whether they're a small business, a sole proprietor, a large corporation, a mid-sized company, what can you do? Well, first, you need to know what issues plaintiffs' lawyers are looking for. So if you know the issues plaintiffs' lawyers are looking for, you can start working on those issues to preempt litigation and avoid it altogether. So you want to fix and eliminate those issues. And you need to do that first. So while we always talk about WCAG conformance, and rightfully so, the way in which you approach conformance very much affects your risk and your exposure to litigation. So if we start working through the issues that plaintiffs' lawyers are looking for and claiming in litigation, then we can reduce our risk as we go through the issues. So I understand the frustrations. Many website owners don't understand accessibility. They may have even purchased a widget. They may have purchased an audit, and they still have accessibility issues that exist on their website, and they've possibly been sued over those issues. We know that there's much more litigation than we know about in the public sphere. So litigation is ongoing. It is affecting millions of website owners, whether they are continually at risk or they've already been sued directly. We know this is impacting website owners across the United States and even in other countries. So again, what can you do? You need to know what issues plaintiffs' lawyers are looking for. So let's start off with the first issue, which is missing alt text. This is the number one issue that plaintiffs' lawyers are looking for. Also, we need to make sure that we have labels, programmatic labels for our form fields. And then we also need to make sure that our website is fully keyboard navigable. So these are the top three issues that we need to focus in on. So if we can find these issues and fix them, we're going to be that much better off. But of course, plaintiffs' lawyers are looking for other accessibility issues. And there are about 15 issues that they recycle through over and over again. And I've made these issues into my ADA compliance course, where each lesson is dedicated to one of these issues. And I tell you how to find the issue and fix the issue so that we can eliminate the issue from our website and make our website less and less attractive to plaintiffs' lawyers as we continue to remediate these issues. So once we do, it makes it less likely that we're sued until we get to the point where our website is more accessible. We're going to genuinely improve the accessibility of our website as we're working through these issues, but it also makes our website less desirable to target in litigation because there are so many websites with accessibility issues. Plaintiffs' lawyers really don't want to get in a back and forth where they really don't have a claim of inaccessibility. So they'll move on to the next website, and we've really just made our website more accessible and less appealing. And then, of course, as we're working through the issues, we eventually want to get to this point where we are meeting these technical standards in full. But it takes a while to get there. And of course, we have exposure to risk all the while we're working on accessibility. So we might as well take care of the accessibility issues that plaintiffs' lawyers are looking for. And so on the whiteboard, I have written down 1 through 8. But the point is that plaintiffs' lawyers are recycling through these same issues over and over again. So why not go ahead and take these issues and prioritize them first? And then as we work through them, we will genuinely improve the accessibility of our website and reduce our risk of litigation as we go ahead and work towards full WCAG conformance. But this is just not known in the broader market. The way in which we approach accessibility very much affects our risk. So for website owners that are concerned with this, if you approach this strategically and you prioritize the accessibility issues that plaintiffs' lawyers are looking for, then it's going to dramatically reduce your risk of litigation. And so you can find the ADA compliance course at adacompliance.net, and I will have a link to that in the description.